Releasing dopamine.
What's up, guys? The boy Sinus came in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe. What go on, peeps? Are we there with another?
Inside.
Banger! But right before we get tonight, guys, as usual, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe because it really help out the Jamaican YouTuber for sure. But anyway, peeps, no more itching. Right into it. Peeps, see the first one here. This clip is a clip from CVN TV. Yeah, big up to CVN TV. Here we go.
10 grand is what? After a week time, 10 grand are done, man. What you gonna do till after then? You know? You gotta depend on the government again. Them to start out the thing right and done. You see what if I can send a 200,000 to a home or 100,000 to a home, yes. But 10 grand? Come on. You have to do better.
Alright, peeps, this next clip is provided by Luke Jamaica, proud sponsor of Sinus Gaming. Big up, Luke. So, pretty much another clip here where it say is 44 people were arrested and charged for breaching the Disaster and Risk Management and Dangerous Drug Act in Trelawny Friday, which is yesterday. Police said that the persons, including one pregnant woman, were charged after they were found at a river participating in entertainment event despite the COVID-19 ban. Gathering of over 10 people. 490 cases confirmed in Jamaica and 9 deaths overall. Run the clip.
You will master man. Make your way up there. Big ups.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No.
Alright, peeps, here's my thoughts on the whole matter. I'm gonna just pretty much be honest. The brother they will come on the news. You're very barefaced and ungrateful. And if you guys don't know what's happening, let me get you in. So pretty much just like America, Jamaica, where the government gave what you call the government compassionate care package. Pretty much the government give money to people who lost their jobs, you know what I mean, recently, especially in the entertainment, especially like in the hotel and the tourism sector, who lost, pretty much people who lose them job when this whole epidemic started, right? And also pensioners can also sign up for it, and people who don't have no job, and the requirement is your TRN, a national ID, you know, and once you're approved, the government will send money to your account, or them send it to your Western Union, you know, and them have different things. Yeah, people will get like 10 grand for, correct me if I'm not mistaken, 10 grand for what? 10 grand for 1 month, for 3 months, and then after that, and then they have the different ones for the other people, them, the pensioners and the people them who just will lose them work and the people who just not on a job. So him a complain now and I say, yo, come on man, 10 grand is not enough and whatever. Where you gonna depend on the government again and all them stuff. The brother, you're very ungrateful. You're very, very, very ungrateful. You did have anything from before? You did have anything from before, sir? I get the 10 grand and you still a ball. You remind me of the Israelites them. When God give them enough good things. When they hungry, God feed them. When they thirsty, God give them something to drink and them still complain. Sir, if ungrateful was a person, you would be a prime example of ungratefulness. May I tell you that straight. If you don't want it, you make somebody else who need it take it. You want to give me, Mr. Prime Minister, you want to give me that 10 grand there? Come on, I love it right now. And that 34 person will get arrested. At Trelawny, yo, you can't just chill, dog. 34? Not even say 9? 34, my friend. Enough people that you couldn't just chill. Why don't you just listen? Just listen, no man. Jesus Christ. Jamaica, listen. Turn on your yard. 34 people, including a pregnant woman. They are river. I have fun and party. Pretty much. Last video me do. One party I keep. Yo. The things who live up will have the thing under control. Way better than other country. I just 9 deaths. What? 490 cases compared to other country in the world where have thousands of people. Only can't just hold out a little bit. Come on, man, Jamaican people, man. We smart, man. Stop the fully dunce behavior. And I'm not saying that you're dunce. Fully dunce behavior meaning that you do something stupid. You're doing stupid stuff. Stop that, man. We can do better. Set a good example, no, man. I saw a Jamaica, you know. A blessed country, this, you know. We're far better off than enough country, you know. Come on, man. Just stop embarrassing, dog. Make we look like we don't have sense. You know what I mean? I don't like do them reaction video, you know, but people send them to me and I have to react to them and be honest. Come on, man. Do better, man. Right? Because we know better. Right? Love all I know, but stop the unruly behavior, man. You know what I mean? Anyway, peeps, comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on the whole matter. Ah, boy. God bless this country. Thank you very much for watching, guys. And just go on journey with your boy. And remember to check out my new channel, Sinus Entertainment. I'm gonna leave the link down below. And respect to all my viewers and subscribers. I'm gonna go and share the video them. Thank you very much, peeps. And I appreciate you all. Go and join with your boy. Ah, shoo!